Why do my ads keep getting rejected? What? If you're a Facebook marketer, you probably run into the thing that your ads keep getting rejected and you just can't figure out why Facebook is doing this. Don't worry, in this video I will walk you through step by step what the issue can be, how you can solve it so that your ads can get up and running and get you sales. Hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm the founder and owner of Conversion Blueprint, and we help businesses to make Facebook ads work for them. Okay, let me dissect this a bit for you. There are three main things that could be wrong with your ad. The first thing is it could be your copy. The second thing, it could be your image or creative. The third thing, it could be your post-click experience, which will be in most cases an issue with your landing page. Okay, what can be wrong about your text? The first thing is you probably use sensational language, so exaggerating things and make them sound bigger than they are, or maybe you point to a secret thing. In their ads policies, Facebook gives you an example of what they don't like. So if you, for example, say, you would not believe that this one superfood gave him the six-pack. Click here to find out more. This is sensational language and it also hides part of the content, and Facebook absolutely doesn't like that. If you're doing something similar to that in your ad is probably disapproved. If it's not approved, you still might want to consider changing it because it's a low quality attribute and Facebook punishes that with lower reach and higher advertisement cost. Another thing could be that you're using bad grammar or you have spelling mistakes in your ad copy. Run it through a free tool like Grammarly to make sure that your ad is correct. Another thing could be that you use a lot of exclamation marks, uppercase letters, weird emojicons. So make sure your ad is straight to the point and easily readable. Don't forget, for Facebook, it's overall about a great user experience. So read the ad and think of yourself if this is something that you would consider valuable or if it's something that would bother you. Another thing that you want to avoid in your ad copy is engagement bait. So don't do things like, if you're also a fan of music, click the like button, or if you're also a fan of zodiacs, leave a comment. This is something Facebook does not like to see and you want to avoid it. Let's head over to the next step, your ad creative. The number one mistake advertisers make with their images is that they put way too much text on it. Facebook hates that, and it actually informs you before you start running the ad that your reach will be lower, and in some cases your ad will be approved in the first time and then disapproved due to high text on images. So instead of using a lot of text on your images, try to find images that tell a story by themselves. Maybe you want to use illustrations or slideshows. Rather than trying to bring your message across with words, try to bring it across with the image, because that is also what the image is for, right? Another issue with your ad imagery could be a bad resolution. Make sure you're only using high resolution images. Another thing Facebook hates and that might lead to your ads getting disapproved is when you have an image that is attention grabbing but has nothing to do with your ad. Make sure to only use imagery that is relevant to your ad and that is not misleading. Another thing I would avoid is before and after pictures. These pictures often get disapproved. If you can't do it with an image, do it with a video. Also make sure that the video is high quality. When using videos, try to keep your messaging straight to the point and keep the video as short as possible. Also here, pay attention to the quality of the video. Is the video actually adding some valuable information, or is it just clickbaity? For the video, the same applies as for text. Make sure it is not just sensational or clickbaity. Rather, try to make it informative about the product and really try to add value with it. Keep it straight to the point, optimize it for mobile and for sound off. Now that we covered your ad copy and the images, we want to talk about the post-click experience. A poor experience after the user clicks on the ad. The first thing you want to make sure is that the post-click experience is what the user expects when he clicks on the ad. So it should not be an unexpected experience for the user. You want to use the same images, the same tonality on your landing page that you use in the ad. This should really correlate. The user should not be misled. When the user clicks on your page, make sure that the page is functioning really well, that you have your privacy policy and your terms and conditions set up. Your page should load fast and it should be mobile optimized. The page should really work properly. Don't just use a PDF or an image. Also, don't send the user directly to a download. When you sell something, make sure that the landing page gives the user all the information they need about the product, about the shipping times, and about your customer service. Lastly, the link must not send people people to a secret Facebook group or to facebook.com. Okay guys, these were kind of the basics and the most common reasons why ads are rejected. Let me know if this solved your issue. If you still have problems, leave a comment below and I will answer them and try to help you out. If this was valuable information for you, then please give the video a thumbs up or leave a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.